totally got changed, and I could see that that orange paint on that. Why? Because when these people painted the outside portion of the stand with orange color, and they kept the lid, and so that mark came on that, and it was like that. And yesterday, when we were not here, and that time these people added something inside my that tangy water actually, and this lid got moved actually slightly towards the northern side, so we could see that orange color actually. And even that's why these criminals were switching off the this our motor by reducing the voltage actually, so which will get, if there is no proper voltage to run the motor, you all know there should be certain amount of this certain amount of voltage should be there, and these criminals are doing something. These criminals are controlling my all these things, and these criminals are reducing the voltage so that the motor will motor will not work. So that why these criminals are doing so? Why? Because these I said these criminals are adding something inside my water like acid, this and that. So these criminals want it should be there in that tank. So when I own the motor, we used to make it overflow actually. Every day we used to make it overflow. Why? Because we know that these criminals will be adding something. So we deliberately used to make it overflow so that the that intensity should go. So yesterday when we came back from that property after plumbing this and that, harrowing this and that, so this when I owned the motor, first I came and owned the motor. That time this criminal after it got filled, and this criminal started. They know all these things. They are closely watching us. So these when it was about to overflow, they cut off the motor. Okay, the power got cut off by reducing this voltage. So I just deliberately again I checked these things, and again I owned the motor. Again it started off. Then this continuously was cutting off the power actually, reducing the voltage and cutting and stopping the motor so that the water should not go out. These criminals did not only acid, these criminals are having something which fungus, bacteria, this and that to add inside this water to make get this skin disease, this and that. That's why all these things these criminals are doing actually, and that's why these criminals are cutting off the power voltage so that the motor should off actually. That's what these criminals were doing yesterday. And even these criminals are doing almost all the days. Some days these criminals are doing. Now I go to know, and I clearly noticed that today the lid of this water tank is in the position was totally changed, and we can make out that mark. We can see properly. Before it was not there, and the position was not at all like that. It was teda meda actually. It was teda meda. Now it kept proper, so I know. So I used to watch every day, so I know the position how it was. Now it is proper. They properly kept. Now these criminals are applying laser onto my whole body, onto my stomach and all, and these criminals will be applying this what to say this what blotting gas to make me look fat, even onto my kidney, laser onto my kidney to make my face look fat actually. All these things are these criminals are doing all these things actually. Even now these criminals started applying laser onto my head to make my hair thin and that, make my hair fall. Somebody here only within 75 meters, somebody from this Subramanian house or this Savannah Mandir house, or someone from that Guru Mandir 323 Guru Mandir, or somebody from this Subhadra, or one house is there, or else this Geeta. These are the neighbors actually, and without these criminals, people's knowledge, nobody will do this actually, or else someone in the somebody I have so many times have uploaded. Some people will be coming and standing here operating their phone. They are operating this actually and doing all these things. ഫ്ലോട്ടിംഗ് ഗ്യാസ് ഇങ്ങനെ തുടങ്ങി, ആൾമാറാട്ടം നടത്താൻ തുടങ്ങി. ആൾമാറാട്ടം ഇങ്ങനെ പല പല ആൾമാറാട്ടമാണ്. ഫ്ലോട്ടിംഗ് ഗ്യാസ് ഒക്കെ വീർപ്പിക്കാൻ തുടങ്ങി. ചതയമന്ത്രമായിരുന്നു, ചതയമന്ത്രം ദീപാവലിക്ക് കഴിക്കുന്നത്, അല്ലാതെ വേറെ ആരുമല്ല. ആൾമാറാട്ടം ഇങ്ങനെ പലതും ഉണ്ട്. ഇങ്ങനെ ഓരോരുത്തരും അവിടെ നിന്ന് വിടുന്നൊക്കെ ഓരോരുത്തരെ കൊണ്ട് ചിലർക്ക് കിട്ടേക്ക് പറയുന്നത് എന്തുവാ അനാഥാലയത്തിൽ നിന്ന് വന്നതൊക്കെയാണ്. അത്ര കണ്ടത്തിലും കൊണ്ട് നടക്കുക, ആൾമാറാട്ടം നടക്കുകയാണ് അവന്മാര്. അങ്ങ് ഇറങ്ങി ഒഴിഞ്ഞു വിടുന്നല്ല ആൾമാറാട്ടമായിട്ട്. ഫ്ലോട്ടിംഗ് ഗ്യാസ് എടുത്ത് പറയാൻ വീർപ്പിച്ചേക്ക് ആൾമാറാട്ടം നമ്മളൊന്നും തിന്നില്ലേലും, നമ്മളൊന്നും തിന്നില്ലേലും വീർപ്പിക്കുക. ആൾമാറാട്ടം ഇങ്ങനെ നടക്കാം. ഇങ്ങനെ എവിടുമാറെന്ന് പറയാം, ആൾമാറാട്ടമായിട്ട് നടക്കുക അവിടെ ഇവിടെയെല്ലാം. ഇവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ കയറി ഇവിടുമാര് കയറി ഇങ്ങനെ ആൾമാറാട്ടം നടക്കുക, അവിടെ ഇവിടെ എല്ലാം നടക്കുക ഇങ്ങനെ ആൾമാറാട്ടം നടത്തി. ആൾമാറാട്ടക്കാരികൾ അങ്ങ് ഇറങ്ങും രാവിലെ കിലോമീറ്ററുകൾ താണ്ടി നടക്കുക ആൾമാറാട്ടവുമായിട്ട്.